Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Blue, black, pink, light green, light pink, green, sky blue, brown, orange, yellow, violet, red. Now let's color this alphabet. A for aeroplane. B for banana. C for cake. D for doll. E for eye. F for frog. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for leg. M for mouse. N for nose. O for orange. P for pen. Q for question mark. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra.
ABCDEFG HIJKLMNOP QRSTUV WX Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
ABCDEFG HIJKLMNOP QRSTUV WX Y and Z.
ABCDEFG
ABCDEFG
HIJKLMNOP
HIJKLMNOP
QRSTUV
QRSTUV
WX Y and Z.
WX Y and Z.